Hello my dear friends, today I have a very interesting case. In this case I am going to show you direct chop technique and a two-stage Capsulorhexis in a white cataract. So you can see in this case patient I have given a two side put incisions and the pupil is not very well dilated, and I am putting a little bit of phenocane to dilate the pupil, and you can see very well that pupil is dilating so fast, and now it is of appropriate size. Now putting a little bit of dye inside the eye to stain the anterior capsule, and the dye is washed. And now you can see I have stabilized the globe with the help of visco cannula only, and making a triplanar main 2.8mm incision. And the most important thing in these white cataracts is to do a proper CCC and a continuous curvilinear capsulorhexis. So going through the side port, I initially puncture the anterior capsule, and a milky fluid has come out, and I have aspirated the milky fluid with the help of the 26 gauge needle only. And now forming the anterior chamber with the help of viscoelastic again, and now it's the time to go with the help of utrata. You can see the utrata is marked, and I'm visualizing the size of the capsulorhexis that I have to make. But initially I make a very small capsulorhexis, and in this technique I am going to demonstrate that you can rotate the nucleus, and all the milky cortex that is at the periphery and comes out very easily. And this way you can aspirate all the milky fluid and release all the tension that is inside the capsular bag. Small nick is given with the help of Vanna scissors, and capsulorhexis is enlarged to the desired extent, and in this case I am aiming for a 5.5mm capsulorhexis. So now we have completed our capsulorhexis. It's time to do a phacoemulsification. So the most important thing in direct chop is to hold the nucleus with good strength and a good vacuum, and you should go straight inside in the center of the nucleus and bury your phaco needle, and with the other hand you chop the nucleus. You can see that in the first attempt I was not able to chop the nucleus, but in the next attempt, when I rotated the nucleus and buried the phaco needle deep inside the cataractus lens, and then I was able to chop it with the help of vertical chop. And now again holding the nucleus at a deeper plane, and then chopping the hard white lens. You can see the posterior plate is very leathery, and in these cases it is very important to break the posterior plate, otherwise nucleus pieces will not come out of the capsular bag and you will be stuck. And you can see the central hard part of the cataractus lens has come out, and we have aspirated that. And such cases I replenish the anterior chamber with the help of viscoelastic, and again going in. Now it's the time to remove the smaller nuclear fragments, and you can see they are still attached at the posterior plate. Main thing you have to do is protect the endothelium, so that these pieces should not hit the endothelium, and you have to protect the endothelium as well as the capsule. Now we have completed with the phacoemulsification. Now it's time to irrigate and aspirate, and irrigation and aspiration is done with the help of by manual IA. And now you can see I'm polishing the posterior capsule with the help of irrigation only, and the posterior capsule is clean, maintaining the anterior chamber with the help of viscoelastic, and a single piece hydrophilic intraocular lens as planned for this patient is put inside the capsular bag. Now the IOL is rotated. Viscoelastic is removed from front of the lens as well as from behind the lens. Now the side ports are hydrated, and the main port is also hydrated with the help of BSS. The case is over. Thank you so much for watching.